In this video, we're going to be going over the new Canvas feature, Submit for Students, where individuals in the role of a teacher can submit an assignment on behalf of a student. Canvas has recognized that there are times where students may need some extra assistance, they might be having technical problems, or they might just miss a deadline and submit via email, and you as an instructor would like to upload the assignment on their behalf. For this example, we're going to be using the assignment Coffee Paper. It is important that in order to use the Submit for Student feature, there must be an option to submit the assignment via file upload. Now, navigate to the gradebook and find the desired assignment, as well as the student you would like to submit the assignment on their behalf. Now, click in and select this little gray icon, which opens the grade details tray. As you can see, this displays the grades and the status for the assignment, but what we're interested in is this little button right here that says Submit for Student. Click on this button, and it opens a File Upload dialog box where you can submit the student's assignment on their behalf. For this example, we'll just select Chapter 1 Answer Key. Now, click Submit, and the file is successfully submitted on behalf of the student. Additionally, it shows who submitted the file and when it was submitted, so that you can know whether or not you submitted the file or the student has. Thanks for watching, and please contact OIT support if you have any questions. Thank you.